Hey everyone, welcome back to our Prom Girl YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin and today I'm at the PG headquarters filming makeup trends for the summer. We have freckles, we have blue, we have pink, so let's just dive in and get started. So this look we're going to be focusing on is all pink. Hello, we're Prom Girl, we have to include some Prom Girl pink in there. So we're using this Ooh La La ColourPop palette, all different pretty pinks, there's shimmers, there's brights. So first I'm going to be starting off with a crease color. I like to go with a more light color just to kind of blend everything in. So using a big tapered brush, it is called Soft Core, and you want to apply this in circular motions all in your crease. So I'm applying my crease color all along my crease using a ColourPop tapered brush. I like to do circular motions, really blending it all out. You don't want any harsh lines. So once we have that crease color down, next up I'm going to be going in with a flat brush using the color Poodle. They have really cute names. Always make sure you tap off the excess or you might have a little bit of fallout. Apply this all over the lid. So a huge trend for the summer is going to be this monochromatic colors. So all pinks, all blues, whatever your favorite color is, using different shades. And now I want to apply a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner to give it a little more of a depth effect. So going in with a small tapered brush, picking up the color Tickled, apply that right in that inner corner for that pop. Heading over to the lower lash line using Sandbar, using a bright pink, and just applying that all under that lower lash line. And then going back to your lid and that flat brush, we're going to be picking up the color Big Sugar. This is a pink shimmer color, and you want to apply this just to add a little more shimmer on that lid. Now that we have all the pink eyeshadow all over, we're going to be going in with some mascara. Today I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. I personally like to use the little minis. I think it's just easier to get all those lashes. So our first makeup look, the all pink, is complete. So now a new makeup trend for the summer is going to be a bold color eyeliner. We're really going to be playing off with blues and pinks today. So we're going to be putting on the top liner. So starting from the outer corner, working your way in. I personally like a little bit of a wing. I feel like it brings my eyes a little more almondy and up. Doing the same exact thing on the other eye. Once you have your liner on, I'm gonna be putting a little bit more mascara just in case I got any blue on my lashes. I'm obsessing over this look right now. If you didn't know already, there's a mirror right in front of me where I'm applying my makeup and I can't stop looking because this pop of blue is everything. I think this would be perfect for like summer parties, any graduation parties you have coming up. Now is time for the all blue makeup trend. We are using ColourPop Blue Moon palette, and starting with our crease color, let's try the Starry Eyed. Once again, putting this all in your crease. This just helps blend in all the colors a little bit more. I'm really liking all these blues in this palette. So now that we have the crease down, going in with a small flat brush, we are going to be using the color Daba Dee. Focusing that on the outer corner and working your way in. And then going back in with that blending brush. And then with a smaller brush, focusing on those inner corners. So we're going to be going in with Moonlight. Kind of creating this ombre effect. You have the darker colors on the outside and then the lighter colors on the inside. And that pop of bright color, and then taking it down that lower lash line, and then going back in with that Daba Dee to the lower lash line using the same brush. You're just going to blend that out from the inner corner to your outer corner. Of course, if you're not a big shimmer person, you don't have to do this next step, but I love shimmer, so using a mix of Billie Jean and Tide Pool, focusing on the middle of the eye. Last but not least, going back in with your mascara Of course, if you want to apply lashes, go right ahead. So this is it for the blue summer trend. I don't know what I like better, either this or the pink. I might be going more for the pink with the blue liner. I think that was really bold. Last but not least, I know you've been all waiting for this. It is freckle time. So we're going to be giving myself fake freckles. Okay, so to do the freckles, I'm going to be using Mr. Bing ColourPop Gel Liner. Start off, and you always want to go lighter because you can always build up the color. All over, either using your hand or a beauty sponge. Just blend them in to make them a little more natural. And then making sure to blend them in. This ColourPop gel liner is really easy to use, so in case you do make those mistakes, it'll be easy to blend it in. All right, so now that we have the base down using this gel liner, I'm going to be trying this technique I saw. You use a tapered brush, and then you wet brown powder and do a splash. So let's see how this goes. No promises here, but we're just gonna try it. So we're gonna dip the brush into some water and then dip it into the brown color. This might be a total fail, but we're all here together. All right, and now just splatter it. Did it splatter? I think it splattered on my shirt. We learned the trick. You gotta get real close. Don't wear white. Don't wear what you're wearing out. Oh! And now, using your beauty sponge, doing the same technique. We're doing it again, but with a lighter brown. I say stick with the gel liner unless you're an expert at the other technique we attempted to do, because you might mess up the rest of your makeup. All right, guys, enough of these freckles. I think I should have left off at the gel liner. You guys could try the splash one at home, but highly recommend you not wearing your shirt that you're going out in, because that's a big mistake. Stick with the gel liner. I hope you love these summer makeup trends. Which one's your favorite? Which are you gonna try? If you recreate any of them, please tag us. Thank you so much for watching. We love you all and hope you have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And